Baking sourdough can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be frustrating when every loaf turns out differently. A small change in room temperature or humidity can completely affect how your dough rises, especially for beginners who are still learning the process. That's where a new Kickstarter project called DouxBoat aims to make things much easier. Created by the team behind the Smoke Pub electric cocktail and whiskey smoker, DouxBoat is a smart sourdough fermentation system designed to take the guesswork out of proofing dough. Instead of relying on experience alone, it constantly monitors your dough and gives you real-time updates through a companion app. Unlike many fermentation devices that simply keep dough warm, DouxBoat uses 5 built-in sensors to track rise percentage, room temperature, dough surface temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels. This allows it to detect changes long before they're visible, helping you achieve more consistent results every time you bake. The system includes a starter jar, a proofing bowl, and a smart lid that fits both containers. The starter jar helps you manage your sourdough starter with regular feedings, while the larger proofing bowl is designed for bulk fermentation. It even comes with preset modes for sourdough bread, pizza dough, focaccia, artisan bread, and small batches of fermented foods like yogurt. You can also create your own custom fermentation settings. Inside the smart lid is a 20-watt heating system that gently maintains a stable temperature up to 40 degrees Celsius. Through the mobile app, you can monitor the fermentation process from anywhere in your home. The app lets you know when it's time to check the dough, shape it, or place it in the oven, helping remove much of the uncertainty from baking. The starter jar holds 1 liter, while the proofing bowl has a generous 4-liter capacity. Both are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple. Another useful feature is that the app automatically saves your fermentation history, including temperature logs, proofing curves, and carbon dioxide levels. That means you can easily repeat successful batches instead of starting from scratch every time. DouxBoat is currently seeking funding on Kickstarter, where early supporters can reserve the complete fermentation kit for $159, compared to a planned retail price of $299. The company expects to begin shipping the product in December, provided the project reaches production as planned. For anyone who has struggled to make consistent sourdough at home, DouxBoat offers an interesting mix of smart technology and traditional baking. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your recipes, it could make the fermentation process much more predictable and enjoyable.